Wow. Well, the national park is truly impressive. Behind me, there are more than 270 waterfalls. It breathes very clean, it sounds very natural, and in general, everything has a very good infrastructure. They even have a train for tourist purposes that moves at a maximum of 5 kilometers per hour, and there are 3 stations today. One of the most impressive sites, called La Garganta del Diablo, Devil's Throat, is closed because the visiting point was destroyed by a great flow of water. We are talking about the river normally flows at 1.5 million liters per second, and out of nowhere, boom, 24 million liters. Much of the structure was destroyed, but I think that's the least of it. This is equally shocking right where I'm standing. If you cross the river over there, you get to Brazil.